The United States vows to help resolve the issue of the historic Balangiga bells, which Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte demanded from America during his second State of the Nation address. The Balangiga bells, once found in Balangiga Church in eastern Samar, were taken by the Americans as spoils of war. The bells led to the U.S. military's so-called worst single defeat in the Philippines. Locals outsmarted and killed 48 out of 74 U.S. troops in 1901 in what is known as the Balangiga Massacre. The U.S. Embassy in a statement says, "We are aware that the bells of Balangiga have deep significance for a number of people, both in the United States and in the Philippines. We will continue to work with our Filipino partners to find a resolution." Duterte's request comes as he slams the U.S. for supposedly meddling in his war on drugs. As early as 1994, former Philippine President Fidel Ramos made the same request to his U.S. counterpart Bill Clinton, to no avail.